Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Interlocking ring, but the main part of the video is how to get rid of the lines that make this up. So if we go to wireframe or view and wireframe, you can, half of them do and half of them don't. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of those lines. I did that on purpose. Now we're going to go back to view and enhance. So what we want to do is we want to take an ellipse, we want an oval. So we don't want it perfect. We're going to go to effects and contour. We're going to contour the inside 1 inch. That's about right. Now I'm going to go ahead and work in the center of the page. So I'm going to take both these and hit P. Now go to object and break the contour apart. Doesn't really matter in this case, but get used to doing that and you'll be better off. I'm going to start drawing a line, hit the control button, hit the control button. Now, what I can do now is take the Smart Fill tool and I can nudge that out of the way, and what that did, that sealed me up. It sealed up these lines. I am going to left click, right click, and I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to mirror it. Now to get the rings to interlock, we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and just pick which one you want. So if this part is going over, on this part it has to go under. So that I did the opposite. We wanted to take away these lines. So this is going under and over. Now here's kind of the key to the reason for the video. We're going to go ahead and color these in. We're going to use green, and we'll use blue on the other section. Okay. Now Control D and make a duplicate. Get the 2-point arrow and just go down. Control D. That doesn't always work. Control D. Get the 2-point arrow. Now, if you ever do that, back up and then Control D again, because you don't want 2 copies. But you can see the line as I'm moving it. Control D. It's easier to grab all 4. Get the 2-sided arrow. Now you can see the lines. Here's kind of the key and the reason for the video. Take away the outline, okay? There's still a line there. Okay, if we go to view and wireframe, there's still a line there, but there's no outline. Let's go back to view and enhance. Now here's kind of the key. We're going to open up. I'm going to have to get rid of this so it won't pick up on the color. And I don't know if we grouped anything together, but we need to ungroup all. So for this to work, go up to object, group, and ungroup all. Okay, nothing's grouped, good. Now what we can do is go up to edit and find and replace. We're going to pick the green first. Excuse me. From selection, find all. And we're going to go up here and weld it. Take the blue, from selection, find all, and weld it. There is no line there now. There might be in wireframe. Let's see if it is. Yep, there still is. So there's really no line there if you were going to print it. I think wireframe just shows you. Now, if you felt uncomfortable with that, you could remove those lines very easily in wireframe view, but then you'd have to go back and fill in your colors. But it'd be really quick if you feel uncomfortable before you would print something like this on a t-shirt or something that you can't get back. And what's so nice about this, if I would have done this from the start, I'm going to show you. If I would have done just the first couple, I'd only have to do the ones in between. Whoop, got a little bit off there. So if I would have started off with the first couple, Control D and duplicate it and move this down, see, I've gotten rid of all those And the only one I have to do is the one in the center, if that makes any sense. Now, the bad thing is you're going to have to go smart fill this. But just take the blue and go, that's, okay, we're in wireframe. Okay, I got my colors right back. I didn't have to do that. And let me see if I can't take away that last one. Yeah. So now let's look at it when we move it. There's no lines. Let's look at that in a wireframe. Cross your fingers. There's no lines. So that worked. I don't really think it would matter on printing if that line was there, because it's such a hairline that the colors probably join. But if you weld them together and do that, maybe better safe than sorry. Let's go to Object, Order, Back a Page. Well, I didn't make it black. Anyway, interlocking rings with a twist. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.